is another 3,500 PSI at 8 gallon a minute Hydro Tek hot water pressure cleaning system. Getting break-in time. We just installed it on the custom fire engine red trailer chem system. 500, no actually that's a 425 gallon water tank. Got 2 high pressure reels, an inlet hose reel, and a chemical hose reel with a separate chemical spraying system on there. Huge amount of flow and pressure, 3,500 at 8. This is a true 35 at 8 because it's running a 27 horse Kohler hot water Kohler engine. It's not a Honda GX 690 or 630. It barely has any pressure whatsoever. Oh, horsepower to be able to support that. Yeah, this is big power. We even go one bigger than that. That's a true dual operator hot water system. We'll give you a full 3,500 at 4 gallon a minute, or like it's running right now, it's running at a full 3,500 PSI at 8. Then we even got this beast over here, which is our 3,500 PSI and 9 gallon hot water machine, which is one step above this one here. For any questions, contact Dan Swede at 954-778-4386. That's my direct number. For eBay marketing, we do have an 800 number when you call me or email me at sales@isis.net. I'll give you the rest of our contact information. So any inquiries, very wholesale. We're having a summer special on all Hydro Tek hot water machines right now. You call me direct, we can go up to 25% off on all hot water pressure washers, cold water unit, and accessory. Then that also includes the wastewater recycling systems. Don't hesitate to call. You get the best value on true industrial and commercial grade equipment from us. No direct drive high speed pumps and 12 volt burners on 24 horse Honda, economy packages. True hot water units. This actually has a 3,000 watt onboard 115 volt generator to power the Wayne burner system with the horizontal burner, all stainless steel burner housing. Belt drive TSF series general pump. 27 horse Kohler, full roll cage frame. Extreme heavy duty and fuel efficient. This can burn actually up to 3 gallons less diesel fuel than your so-called economy hot water pressure washers out there. If you're willing to spend an extra almost $12 an hour in diesel fuel just because it went with a cheap inferior pressure washer, go for it. But I can give you a much higher volume, more commercial grade system for a fraction of the overall operating cost and cost of the units. Once again, Dan Swede, sales@isis.net, direct number 954-778-4386. Thank you.